Hello everyone. If you are a gamer, you know how satisfying it is to grab a great deal on your favorite games or accessories. Today, I will show you the best ways to get discount codes for the PlayStation Store so you can save big. So now let's dive in. First, make sure you are signed up for PlayStation's official newsletters. Sony often sends out exclusive discount codes and promotional offers to their subscribers. To ensure you don't miss out, head to her email inbox and search for terms like PlayStation offers or discount code. If you are not receiving these emails, log into your PlayStation account, update your communication preferences, and subscribe. PlayStation social media channels, especially Twitter and Instagram, frequently share limited time discount codes during promotions or special events. Make sure to follow their verified accounts and turn on notifications to catch these offers before they expire. Now, PlayStation runs seasonal sales like Black Friday, Summer Sale, and Holiday Specials, where you can grab exclusive discounts. During these events, codes might be posted online or automatically applied at checkout. Always check the deals section on the PlayStation Store during these periods. Now, websites like RetailMeNot, Honey, and Dealcatcher often list active PlayStation discount codes. While not all codes might work in your region, trying different options can sometimes uncover hidden gems. Now, subscribing to PlayStation Plus not only gives you access to online multiplayer but also exclusive member only discounts on games and add ons. The savings from these deals often justify the membership cost, especially if you are a frequent buyer. And there you have it, folks. Simple and effective ways to score discount codes for the PlayStation Store. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.